Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to install Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is the world's most open and advanced real-time 3D creation tool for photoreal visuals and immersive experiences. Let's get started. First, you should go on Google and search for Unreal Engine 5 download. You should then click on Download Unreal Engine and open the official Unreal Engine website. You should then scroll down and click on the Download Launcher button. After the download has been completed, you should click on Open here. You should then select the folder that you want to install the file into and click Install. You should also wait for the updates to be downloaded and for the prerequisites to be installed. Afterwards, the Epic Games Launcher will open and you will have to sign in with your account. I am choosing to sign in with my Google account. I will then click Continue here to confirm that I am signing in and linking my Epic Games account to the Google account. I am choosing our account from here and then clicking Continue. After the sign-in is successful, I am then reopening the Epic Games Launcher. You have to then provide a birthday here before clicking Continue. I am also going to provide the other information they have asked us for here, including the display name. I will then tick the two boxes before clicking Continue again. After allowing access here, we have to then verify our account. I have copied the verification code that was sent to our email, and then I will click Verify Email. The Epic Games Launcher will then open, and I will switch to the Unreal Engine tab here. You can see here that Unreal Engine 5.2 is now available, and I will click Install Engine here. You can then see the engine versions that are available here. I will then tick the box agreeing with the End User License Agreement and click the Accept button. I will then select the install location before clicking Install. I will then wait for the installation process to be completed. Afterwards, I will click Launch here and allow access to the other features here as well. You can then see that the Unreal Editor is being installed. You can then select the type of project that you want to create, rename it, and click on the Create button. You can then see that a new scene window has been opened. You can also see all the features and properties here. This brings us to the end of our video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.